In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to wrap your text so nothing gets cut off here in Google Sheets. So if you have a similar data as my example right here, where some of the text within your cells are cut off, so you're not able to see everything. As you see, this cell is selected, but I don't see the entire text within that cell. This is the entire text within that cell, but again, it cannot be shown within this cell. So what I'm going to do is to actually change the cell format so I'll be able to see everything within that cell. So we can do this in two ways. So we can wrap our text in two ways. First method would be to select that cell, then go to the toolbar right here, and in between our vertical alignment and our text rotation is our text wrapping. If I click on the drop down right next to that icon, here we have three options. We have our overflow, our wrap, and our clip. So right now our cell is formatted in the clip wrapping, which cuts off our text, and whatever the size of our column right there is the only thing that we're going to see within that cell. But if we select another one right here, we have our text overflow. If we click on that, that is what it's going to look like. So that's our first text wrapping option. Let's do the next one right here. Select that cell, go back to your toolbar, go to the text wrapping, click on the drop down, and select wrap. If we click on this one, here we go. So now what it did was to put all of that text within that cell. So it adjusted the size of my rows so it will fit everything in that cell and all of the text would be seen. So those are the two ways that you can format your cells so that your text will not get cut off. You can either have it in overflow or in wrap. So let's say you decided to do one type of text wrapping for your entire column right here. What you're going to do to apply that would be to select the entire row, then go back to your text wrapping, click on the drop down, and either select overflow or wrap. If we select overflow, that is what it's going to look like. Now if we select wrap, again, it will adjust the size of the rows to fit all of your text within that cell. So whichever you choose, whether that's your overflow or your wrap, now all of your text will be seen or will be visible and nothing gets cut off. And there you have it. That's how you can wrap your text so nothing gets cut off within your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.